Still uploading your content one by one, every single day? Yeah, that ends today. Let me show you how to connect your social media accounts to AutoClips in seconds. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your social media accounts in your browser. This makes the connection process smooth, fast, and error-free. Or you can log in there in the window. For this video, I have already logged into every needed social media accounts in my browser. Now, head to app.autoclips.app. On your dashboard, click on Connect Socials. This is your control center, where all platforms connect. Click Add Account and choose your platform. Let's start with YouTube. A Google login pop-up appears. Select your Google account, grant permissions, and just like that, you're ready to upload directly to your channel. Next, TikTok. Click on Continue and give posting access. This unlocks full auto posting for your short-form videos. Next, Instagram. Approve the permissions. Allow AutoClips to manage your posts. Quick note, make sure you're using a business or creator account, otherwise it won't connect. Now, Facebook. Hit Continue to your profile, choose your page, and approve access. And finally, X. Authorize the app, and now your videos can be automated there too. Just like that, everything is connected. Now your content can post automatically, grow faster, and work for you, even when you're offline. And if you ever need to switch accounts later, no problem. Just head back to the sidebar and click on Connect Socials. You'll see a disconnect button next to each platform. Click it, disconnect your current account, then simply log in again with your new preferred account. Simple, flexible, and fully in your control. But here's the real shift. You're no longer just posting content, you're building a system that runs in the background, that scales your reach, that turns consistency into growth automatically. No more burnout, no more missed uploads, no more limits, just pure momentum. So connect once and let AutoClips do the rest. Because the creators who win tomorrow are the ones who automate today.